Leads are in fact the life and the blood of your business. Especially in network marketing, if you don't have leads, you don't even have a business really. Which is why today I'm walking you through my 2 highest converting, best lead production secrets, you may call them, to get leads fast and for free at zero cost for any business you are promoting, any offer, you name it. And make sure you watch this video all the way through because I might throw in a little extra something for those who pay very close attention. Let's get started. And before you start actually learning how to get leads for network marketing for free, I want to make sure I save you a lot of time and a lot of money, because there's 3 types of traffic and leads you can get in network marketing or in any business, and you want to be very, very careful because one of these 3 is going to kill your business and cause you to go broke. Can you guess which one? Is it free leads? Is it low cost leads? Or is it kind of expensive leads? It's actually low price, great, amazing, fancy deals of you're going to get 10,000 hits or 500 leads, or you name the outrageous offer for 20 bucks. These are what I personally advise and say are scams. They are trying to get you to give them a little bit of money so they can get you into other stuff, and they give you an outrageous number of leads and clicks and traffic because it's usually really bad traffic, really bad stuff you don't want. And actually, it will usually harm your business. So stay away from super great, amazing, out of this world deals that don't seem like they're true, because most often they're not. Now, how do you know that I know what I'm talking about and that I have experience in this field? Because I've used many different lead sources, both paid and free, over the years to generate in total millions of dollars in sales. So as you go through this video and listen very closely, pay very close attention, just know that this has been proven through 12 years of experience. So let's get back to the video now. I just want to show you a little bit of proof that I actually know what I'm talking about. Now, the 2 kinds of leads and traffic and customers you want is either ones that are generated for free, which I'm about to show you how to do, or ones that you pay for that you know are targeted quality, most likely to be buyers. But that's for another video. Right now I'm going to walk you through how to get free leads to any network marketing offer, product, service, you name it, regardless of the industry or niche you are in. So my friend, I will be going over 2 different strategies you can use right now to get leads for your network marketing business. The first one is going to allow you to ethically and with permission hack and use other people's audiences that have thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people in them, and to bring them towards your own offer with their permission. The second thing I'm going to show you is how to basically post and blast your message, your ads, your promotions out there to get leads and customers and buyers. And first, we're actually going to cover number 2. Number 1 is the best, but number 2 is pretty great. So going over number 2, I have 2 different resources I'm going to be showing you as an example that you can possibly use. If you want to join and use these, there's going to be links in the description, but you can find other ones as well online. So what you want to do is find places, forums, groups, communities, ad networks, advertising banner networks, you name it, where you can post for free your ads, your links, your banners, you name it, and generate free traffic and free leads. Now, this will take time, but it costs you nothing. So one example is Leads Ad Space. The other one is Page Rank Cafe, which we have both tracked. We have accurately tracked, and both of these bring us a few customers every single month. Now, how these platforms work is that you are able to view other people's advertisements and what they're promoting, and in exchange, you are able to promote and sell as well. So I can post an email that goes out to, I believe, 20,000 or 30,000 people. I can create an ad board post where people can see basically a small snippet of an email or an article piece I publish. As well, I have my own personal blog on Leads Ad Space that does get traffic. So you can see here, 350,000 views this area has gotten in the past 30 days. I can take a look at the personal blog that I have with Leads Ad Space that you get as well included for free. Tens of thousands of visitors I have driven, 5,000 just to this one right here. PageRank Cafe is very, very, very similar. So I've driven to this link 14,000, 700, 300, 500, 700, you name it. And there's other forms of traffic within PageRank Cafe either. So both of these, and there's many other things like this, you want to basically get your affiliate link or a link that is a video that delivers a lot of immense value that then directs people to purchase from your affiliate link. You want to spread and syndicate and share that to anywhere in YouTube videos you like, anywhere in forums you like, anywhere in places like Leads Ad Space, places like PageRank Cafe, all over the place. You need to get your link, your name, your messaging out there into the marketplace. And by doing it with these places that are entirely free, you can pay for extra advertising, but that's entirely up to you. These free resources are amazing for getting free leads and free traffic and customers. And if you look at my text ads and my banner ads in Leads Ad Space, real quickly I want to show you this before I get to the second method of hacking into other people's audiences ethically and with their permission. This is driven 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 5,000, 1,000, 1,000. This is driven as well, tens of, maybe even 100,000 clicks to my offer. Do you think that is equated to leads and customers? Most definitely. So we have Post and Blast, which works really good. Anywhere you can get your links out there, do so in groups and communities without being spammy, without being promotional. Try to offer as much value as possible when you do this, and it will work very well when you focus on value and giving first. Now, secondly is the hack method, which is basically using other people's audiences that already exist to build your own brand, get leads, get customers without spending a cent. I've talked about this before, and it is extremely effective, and it still works for me today. I was just on another podcast. You want to create an account, which is free at podmatch.com, which I will have a link to in the description of this video as well. Now, why Podmatch? Podmatch allows you to go on to and match with podcasts in your industry, in your niche. And by going onto these podcasts and giving value and being yourself and just having a plain it's really easy, having a plain conversation with each of these hosts, these podcasts, which there's hundreds of, so you can find one that matches with you. You can listen to the episodes, see if you like what they talk about, see if it will fit with your kind of message of value you give. At the end and during every single podcast, in the video and in the descriptions of the videos where they are posted, which is a lot of different places, you can have the podcast host put in your link. You can talk about your offer. You can talk about any product and service you want and direct their audience to your offer, to your links, so you can make sales, generate leads and customers by being a member of Podmatch, which you can do for free. I'll include a link in the description of this video. I have the paid version. I highly recommend the paid version. It's excellent. This helps you get matches and get on more podcasts faster. But regardless, use Podmatch to get onto other people's audiences, which they are allowing you to do. They want you to do. And it builds your brand, it builds your name, allows you to get in front of more people, and it allows you to hone in your message, how you talk, how you communicate, and it can get you sales and leads for your network marketing or any business you have. That, my friend, is how you drive free leads, traffic, and customers to your network marketing or affiliate marketing business at zero cost. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments, and I will see you in another video very soon. Take care.